Alright, today class, I will discuss about just in time. Okay? Yung tinatawag natin just in time. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong GID. Okay? So, just in time or GID. Sa iba, tinatawag din tong back flash accounting. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong back flash accounting. So, later, no, why is it that it is known as back flash and just in time? But before that, what are the five principles? No? So, what are the five principles of GIP? Okay? So, please take note of this. What are the five principles of the just in time? Number one, yung tinatawag natin total quality management. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng total quality management? Ibig sabihin, class, no? It just in time, very important is quality above cost. Okay? Quality above cost. Yan yung pinaka-importante. Number two, no? The five principles of just in time is that very important is yung tinatawag natin production management. So, very important class in the production management is to consider yung tinatawag natin pull system. What do you mean of pull system? No? Made to order. Okay? So made to order is the pull system versus push system wherein made for inventory. Kasi klase, just in time, dapat walang inventory. Number three, very important also in the just in time, yung tinatawag natin suppliers management. Okay. So ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng suppliers management? Ito naman ay more on or you maintain daw few suppliers. Okay. O sir, bakit po in suppliers management, we should maintain few suppliers? Eh di ba sa management dapat madami tayong suppliers? Because of number four. Number four is inventory management. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng inventory management? Kung pwedeng zero is your inventory, mas pwede. Or few inventory kung hindi maiwasan. Bakit? Yung inventory mo, pwedeng nasa suppliers natin. Kaya sa suppliers yan, as a few suppliers, so ibig sabihin, konti lang yung kausap natin. No? And number five, very important class in the principles of the just in time, yung tinatawag natin human resource management. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng human resource management? Ibig sabihin, the role of HR is to motivate the employees. And that will be the five principles of the just in time. All right, next one. No? So we are done already, with the just in time. We go now to the bank flash accounting. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng bank flash accounting? From the word itself, bank flash. Okay? You bank flash. Okay? So ibig sabihin ng bank flash accounting, number one, is that very important yung ating tinatawag na work in process. Di ba? You go back to your cost accounting, you have your work in process, and you have your raw materials. Tama ba? Yes. No? So, walang problema class na raw materials and work in process. In just in time, back flash accounting, yan ay sa account na lang. Tinatawag natin ito RIP. Ano yung RIP? Rest in peace ba? No. It is raw and in process. Same lang yung class, no? The raw materials and work in process are all to be combined with one account. Yung tinatawag natin raw and in process. Okay. So after the raw and in process, no? You have here what you call finished goods na. No? So hindi na siya pupunta na work in process. After finished goods, you have now your cost of goods. Okay. Yan ang kaibahan nila. No? Backwards accounting because of your direct labor and overhead. Class, walang problema in terms of raw materials. No? The raw materials are to be combined with raw and in process. Kaya ito class, backwards accounting, because of direct labor and overhead. Bakit? Direct labor and overhead daw are all to be charged, no? Automatically to your cost of goods sold. Yung ating incurred this month. Okay. Yung incurred this month are all to be charged to the cost of goods sold. Kaya at last, no, there would be an adjustment in the raw ending process and at the same time in your finished goods. Any adjustment class are also to be part of your cost of goods sold. The reason why it is known as cost plus accounting because the labor and overhead are all charged in the cost of goods sold. And there will be an adjustment in the RIP and also in the finished goods. For example, in the RIP, you have 100 beginning and you have ending of 50. For example, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 50 para magsarado tayo. So what is 50 here? Class, go back to your cost accounting. If there will be credit in your work in process, ano siya? Already finished. That's why it's already finished. Okay. Ibig sabihin, there will be an adjustment. What will be your adjustment? Since you credit your RIP, you will credit RIP worth 50. What would be your debit? Your cost of goods sold. Okay. Unan lang ha. How about your finished goods inventory? For example, 50 pesos naman is your beginning palitan. And 100 would be your ending. Ibig sabihin, you have 50 here. Ano yung 50 here? If you debit your finished goods, ibig sabihin, yan ay unfinished. If there would be unfinished, what would be your entry? Debit, finished goods 50, and credit your cost of goods sold of 50. And that will be the basic, of your back flash at the same time, you're just in time.